Many of us try to have a plan when it comes to untimely death. We try to plan what will happen with our finances. But what if something happens, you don't die? What if you were just unable to make sound financial decisions due to a disability or a handicap? Well, Bruce Smith of F&M Trust is here to encourage us to be prepared with a financial power of attorney. What does that mean for those who don't know?
Basically, it's a simple, inexpensive, reliable way to appoint somebody to manage your finances in the event of your inability to make those sound decisions.
Why is it so important to consider this?
Well, the previous segment was a good segue. We were talking about your sweethearts and Valentine's Day. It's a great way to give somebody the opportunity, if you are incapacitated, to manage your investments. That's paying bills, dealing with investments, so that if you don't, you can lead into unfortunately, some court proceedings to make that happen.
And that's just something maybe at that time it would take a huge toll on you to be worried about that at that time, and a huge toll on your family.
Absolutely.
Too, because that's just not what you want to be concerned about in the time of some kind of emergency.
And it could be, it's a real blessing to your family if you can provide that opportunity to make sure that's taken care of. Because if you are a caregiver to someone, it's hard enough to just provide care, but then to manage the finances and making those kind of decisions, it can take a toll.
Well, then what should you consider here, or who should you consider?
Well, there's a risk in a power of attorney because you are giving somebody authority to manage your investment. So you have to find somebody you trust. That could be obviously your spouse or a close relative, a friend. It could be your attorney, or it could be a corporate fiduciary like a trust company. But trust and verify. You want to make sure, and you can put in there a power of attorney that they can, whoever it is, can share with the family what expenses are being paid.
Very good. And is this something F&M Trust can help us with, kind of navigate this? Like, where can we get more information?
Well, you can go to your legal attorney. Obviously, you can go online to look at for information, but anybody but provides trust powers, or your local attorney will be more than happy to help you out. Do a very simple document for your sweetheart.
For your sweetheart. And it is a nice transition. Well, thanks for sharing this really
Thank you very
important
much.
information with our audience.